Start by measuring the distance between two moldings. Then, trace these same measures on the panel. Make sure to measure an extra inch of panel for the folding. The male and female must be cut to the size you need in front of your panel. Cut the panel with metal snips or shears. Remove 1.5 inches of styrofoam to allow the folding tool to fold the panel. Place the panel in the folding tool, secure it in place, and raise the arm to fold the panel.